Hi, I'm Warren Moyle, Senior Technical Support Engineer, and today we're going to look at how we maintain and test the Soteria Dimension detector. For testing and maintenance, you will require a Solo 365 with the special adapter and a dry lint-free cloth. Ensure you have a fully charged Solo 365. Replace the normal test cup for the special adapter. Switch the Solo 365 on. Ensure it is producing smoke. Hold the unit 20mm from the ceiling at a slight angle away from the dimension detector so that smoke blows across the face of the device. Wait for the red alarm LED to light. Once the detector is activated, reset the control panel. When testing is complete, wipe the face of the dimension detector with the dry lint-free cloth. And now the detector is serviced and tested. Thanks for watching. For more information on dimension maintenance and testing, please see the installation guide that accompanied the product or find it on our website. For further information on maintenance and testing, check out these videos.